Hi, I'm Cassie, and this is Surprises Play, and today I wanted to show you something. Somebody new in my life. I haven't named him yet, but I kind of want to name him Damien, just because that was the first name that popped into my head when I got him. But let me show you how beautiful his face is at first, and then I'll show you his unboxing video. Just look at him. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Look at him. He is so pretty. That's one hunk of man right there. And he is huge. Like, this doll is ginormous. Oops, sorry about his shot. Doll nudity. Oh no. But let me show you a video of me unboxing him right here. So isn't he lovely? He's so beautiful. He's so huge. He's so tall. Like, I couldn't believe this. I could not believe, like, look at that. I'm holding him like here. Look at that. He's so tall. He's huge compared to my other dolls. But I love him and I'm excited to have him. I ordered him actually from somebody off of Instagram. And yeah, so she sent me him straight from the factory. So she changed the address to my address instead of hers. And he smells so strongly of resin. It smells so good. Like, this resin smells brand new and fresh and untouched by anybody. And I get to have him first, so I don't get to have anybody sloppy seconds. So he is jointed at the knees and his hips. And also, well, he has a peanut joint, I think. Yep, he has a peanut joint in his leg. I think that's a peanut joint. I could be wrong. I think I'm wrong. But he is beautiful, and he's not blushed or anything. I kind of wish he was. But as soon as I learn how to do blush, maybe I can give his nipples some color, give his rib cage some color, give him some fingernails, color up his wee-wee. So yeah, this is him, and he's so cute, and I'm so excited to finally have a male BJD in my life, and I'm glad he's so huge. Like, I'll show you my other dolls. This is a 1/3 scale BJD female, and I'll show you in size comparison what their sizes are. So look how much bigger than her he is. Like, he is huge. And then I want to show you in size comparison to a 1/6 doll. Look at this tiny little doll compared to him. This is like her dad. He's huge. Huge, ginormous. Like, here she is compared to him. He's huge. He is awesome. I'm so excited to have him. I don't know if I want to name him Damien. Comment below what you guys think I should name this boy doll. He's so beautiful. He's so pretty. I have to get his outfit for him. I'm not sure exactly what I want him to wear. I'm not sure exactly what I want for his wig. But I have plenty of time to search and look on Etsy and Denver Doll and Alice Collections and all those wonderful sites that have BJD stuff. And I'll be able to pick him out something. I'm quite sure. But yeah, here he is. And isn't he beautiful? I'm not sure who his face up is by. I think it's factory. So yeah, his face is factory, I do believe, because it came straight from the factory. So it has to be a factory face up. But yeah, here he is, and he is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if it says his sculpt name. Han. His name is Han. But I don't want to call him Han. I want to call him something else. Oh, I guess I might have to call him Han. Dang it. Comment below what you guys think I should name him. Give me a few names to choose from, and I guess I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, comment below and click subscribe. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye!